And it's the Suns to start out. Now here's Paul. Pass to Ayton. Got a piece of it, and it's out of bounds.
Real close, and I'm sure next time he might time that a little bit better and get a hand on it.
Durant, no good.
And you could tell he thought that triple was going to fall.
George passes to Mann. That's tipped.
Oh, man, 7-1. Not a good idea to challenge Ayton there.
Paul with the ball. Back to Ayton. And the rejection by Zubac. Down low.
Good scores.
Both free throws good from Kawhi Leonard. On offense, here are the Suns. And we've got an update here, so let's check in with David Aldridge reporting from the sideline.
Well, Kevin, I was able to catch up with the head coach for the Clippers. He said the primary concern is to prevent those easy threes to be the key. If they don't bother the shooters, he said, it's going to be a very long 4 quarters. Back to you, Kevin.
Thanks, David. Devising a strategy to take away that three-point shot. Now, Kevin Durant. Kawhi Leonard missing from long range. Drains it from beyond the arc.
And the lid's off. They're 1 for...
And again, it's the Clippers missing.
Kev, I know it's early, but going 0 for 4 to start a game can make a team get a little bit tight.
Not sure what the D was doing there. Clearly a breakdown. You can ill afford to give a guy like him that good look. Just a grinder. Always doing the dirty work on the offensive glass. And that's one of the things he brings to the table.
KD on the wing. Over Morris. Offline from the top of the... Here's Leonard. Connects in the foul line.
Trying to go. Get back on track.
A platoon swap here for the Clippers. Now here's Payne. Pass to Baisley. Plumlee with some nice D.